Peter Parker can shoot his spider web 15 times each minute. So that is our ratio, 15 times per minute. So it's 15 web per 1 minute. So we see A could be the answer if it stays in the same order. So if this represents a proportional relationship, what is the unit rate for shooting a web? So we need a unit rate for shooting a web. So it's just one web. So we do not want to do 15 webs. So that is not our answer. But we can do 15 webs to 1 minute. We're going to divide both by 15. So we're going to divide by 15. And we're going to divide by 15. Now a minute can also be 60 seconds. So 60 seconds divided by 15 is 4 seconds. So one web is 4 seconds, and D is our answer.